How to log into 7-Eleven employee portal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to log into your 7-Eleven employee portal online account. First step is to open up your web browser on any of your device and search for 7-Eleven employee login. Click on the first link that you see here, that hr.711.com. Once you tap on it, you should be able to enter your your work email right here to log in. Now, if you forgot your password, just go ahead and tap on reset or forgot password button right here. Enter your email address and then employee number. Tap on reset and they'll send you a verification code on your email. You can use that code to create a new password for your account and use that password to log in. After entering your 7-Eleven ID or your email, tap on next, enter the new password you just created, and then hit the login button. Then you should be able to log in without any problem. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.